Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will design a ring. We're going to go through two stages, sketching and creating bodies. We're going to subtract some bodies, make them a union, and play around with the design so that you can learn how to use Shapr3D tools. You can also learn setting designs according to the coordinate system. Let's start. First, create a new workspace. Now, I will switch to the back view to create an outline of the ring. Then I'm going to place it and block it in the center of the coordinate system. Blocking the center allows me to scale future sketches to that point. This is also a very useful feature I've used to measure my ring before. It's something around 19 millimeters. Now let's make an offset inside, so that the thickness is around 1 millimeter on all sides. I'm going to split my design into two shapes. Those are going to be the bottom shape and the top shape. The bottom shape actually is not going to be changed. It will be 2 millimeters thick, but the top shape will contain all the curvatures and all the nice design elements. I extruded the top shape a bit wider, and I will group both shapes. I've created a layer named Cut, because it will be used to cut bodies I'm about to create. Everything I'm creating right now is going to be placed in the top layer in the groups, so it makes the process better organized. And then I'm going to add a construction plane to that line at the angle, because I need a flat plane. I'm going to put this plane above the design, so I don't disturb already created bodies. Now I'm going to create the shape of the top of the ring. It helps a lot to create a symmetrical line first, because then I know where I am in case I need to mirror anything or use any other tools. It's good to resonate the coordinate system you're in your workspace, because if you're actually working around the 0 point, then it's much easier to perform any operations like mirroring, duplicating, and rotating. You can always see the 0 points, and that helps arranging your designs. Now I'm creating a sketch of the shape that is going to go on the outside of the original ring circle. I still need to make it round and then split it in half, because I'm creating my own unique design. I'll use the offset tool to offset the loop curve, and I'll do the same with the other one. Inside the top sketch, I'm going to design the pattern. I'm going to use this pattern to subtract from my body. Create any pattern of your choice. If you make a mistake, you can fix it by selecting points and dragging and dropping them in the right place. Use this opportunity to be spontaneous and creative. After I'm done with the pattern, I'm going to trim the lines I don't need and help myself organize inside the shape of my sketch. Otherwise, I'll be required to select all closed sketches one by one. But now I can select the entire loop. I'm going to hide the construction plane because I don't need it right now, and it disturbs me. I'm selecting the bodies to extrude and subtract. I'm going to pull the sketch down and use the Intersect tool. Now the half of the top part of the ring is almost ready. I can now extrude all small details and cut them into my design to create the pattern I want. I need to select all the small details inside the sketch and extrude them. It's better to group them together to be able to select and cut small bodies faster. Now I will use the other group of bodies, called Cut, that I created before. I will copy the shape to the other side of the ring. I will rotate it with the copy option selected according to the 0 point. You see how helpful it is to have all designs and bodies in the center of the coordinate system. Now you can hide all the old sketches and use the Union tool in order to unite all the bodies you've created. I'd like to add a small detail. I will fillet the edges. As you probably noticed, I like rotating my designs. It's very easy to do so in Shapr3D. By using your 2 fingers, you can move around. Remember that if you want to move or rotate according to some area, you just need to place 2 fingers and swipe them around.